Hi everybody, so welcome to the lesson 2. Let's go to start the first Hanzi of this lesson. Do you remember how to say sun or date in Mandarin? The answer is 日, okay? So let's look at the shape of these characters. You can see a fringe out there, and there is a dot. Actually, it's a very sharp horizontal line in the center to mean the light source, which reflects how the sun is perceived in the ancient times. Since the original Chinese characters were carved in the stones, so it was very difficult to draw the circles, so they draw a fringe to mean the circle. And also the ancients observed that the sun moves through the sky for one circle, and then we can call it a date. So it also means date. Okay, so can you read these ones? 生日 means birthday. How about this one? 日本. Alright, it's Japan. Okay, so let's take a look at this stroke video. Alright, let's move on to the second Hanzi of this lesson, which means month or month. Do you remember how to pronounce it? It is 月. Okay, so let's look at the story for these characters. We can see the crescent moons with an open part, suggesting the shape of the moon would change. The ancient Chinese thought the moon is also a light source, so that's why you can see the character 月 and the character 日 looks very similar to each other. And when the moon completes all its shape change, we can call it 1 month. So it also means month. It's very easy to understand, right? Okay, can you read these phrases? 2月3日, right? It's February 1st. How about this one? 这个月 means this month. Now let's go to see the short video. Okay, now we move on to the third Hanzi, which means evening. So it pronounced as 西. Once again, 西. So let's look at the storage for these characters. Actually, you can find it also very similar to the 日 and the 月. It positions between the sun and the moon, representing the twilight or the setting sun. Shows the transitions from day to night, means timed around sunset. Okay, how to read this one? 夕阳 means sunset. Okay, maybe you want to ask, the character "xi" individually means sunset already. Why these words 夕阳 also means sunset? Actually, in ancient times, people used the single character words a lot because it's quite difficult to write at that time, and the costs for the writing materials were very expensive, right? And it's also because we don't have these words anymore, so in modern Mandarins, we developed a lot more doubled character words or even multiple character words to express the same meanings. So usually we use 夕阳 to mean the sunset. Okay, how about these ones? 除夕 means New Year's Eve. And let's go to see the short video. Okay, so let's write it up. Can you read these 3 characters? The first one is 日, and then 月, and then 夕, right? You can see their shapes are very similar to each other. Okay, so let's go to explore more words containing these 3 characters. 月亮 means moonlight. 下个月 means next month. And 上个月 means the last month. 今年除夕是几月几日? What's the New Year's Eve this year? Very good. Alright, so that's all for these lessons. Please do remember to download the PDF materials to finish the post-lesson exercises, and you can find the fresh cuts on the web page. See you in the next lessons. Bye!